Get excited about the 2016 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and much more. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.